Very much, Honorable Prime Minister, sir, and the esteemed dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, over the past century and a half, IMD has played a pivotal role in safeguarding lives, supporting agriculture, advancing climate research, and strengthening disaster preparedness. पिछली 1.5 सदी में भारतीय मौसम विभाग ने जीवन की सुरक्षा, कृषि का समर्थन, जलवायु अनुसंधान को प्रोत्साहन और आपदा प्रबंधन को सुदृढ़ बनाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है। आज इस समृद्ध विरासत का जश्न मनाते हुए हमें गर्व है कि हम IMD की यात्रा को समर्पित एक और विशेष पहल प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं, एक डिजिटल कॉफी टेबल बुक जो इसकी उपलब्धियों, मील के पत्थरों और भविष्य की दृष्टि को सुंदर रूप से दर्शाती है। So as we celebrate this rich heritage, we are thrilled to introduce another tribute to IMD's journey, the digital coffee table book that beautifully encapsulates the milestones, achievements and vision for the future. अब मैं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी से विनम्र अनुरोध करती हूं कि वे रिमोट का बटन दबाकर इस डिजिटल कॉफी टेबल बुक का विमोचन करें। Let us applaud as we unveil this visual narrative of IMD's inspiring story and its remarkable contributions to the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now indeed honored to witness the launch of a transformative initiative, Mission Mausam. The Honorable Minister of State for Earth Sciences, Dr. Jitendra Singh Ji, also alluded to it. This ambitious program, approved by the Union Cabinet under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi Ji, aims to make India a weather-ready and climate-smart nation. एक बार फिर हम माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से निवेदन करते हैं कि वे बटन दबाकर मिशन मौसम का आधिकारिक विमोचन करें।
India is a land of diverse weather and climate, where each region reflects its unique geographical features. From the snow-clad Himalayas to the arid Thar Desert, the tropical southern coasts to the cyclone-prone east, this diversity poses both a natural splendor and complexity in understanding and predicting weather. And today's modern world faces a growing challenge: climate change, disrupting ecosystems, economies, and lives. Under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's visionary leadership, India has tackled this global crisis with the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Over the past decade, India has led global transformative efforts, from advancing renewable energy to founding the International Solar Alliance, ISA, and launching Mission Life. In continuation of this vision, on September 11th, 2024, the Central Cabinet has approved Mission Mausam, a 2,000 crore rupees initiative to make India weather-ready and climate-smart. Mission Mausam uses cutting-edge tech, observing systems such as Doppler radars, vertical profilers, fusion of physics-based numerical models and data-driven AI models, and supercomputers to revolutionize forecasting at various locations and time periods, from nowcast, that is short-term real-time predictions, to seasonal predictions. This mission transforms lives, empowering farmers, enhancing disaster preparedness, and enabling smarter water management, power sectors, livestock protection, and infrastructure planning. Special focus is on vulnerable regions like the Himalayan region, with tailored systems to tackle cloudbursts, floods, and landslides, safeguarding lives and infrastructure. With a deep-rooted wisdom that has weathered centuries, India now steps forward with global partnerships, cutting-edge innovations, and modern science technologies. Through initiatives like Mission Mausam, India is not only leading the way in weather and climate sciences, but also shaping a resilient, sustainable future.
Let's have a huge round of applause for Mission Mausam, ladies and gentlemen. देवियों सज्जनों, भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का ये नेतृत्व ही है जिसने हमारे देश को एक नई ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाया है। उनका अद्वितीय दृष्टिकोण और अथक परिश्रम न केवल भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बना रहा है, बल्कि वैश्विक